The sky grows dark, a storm unfurls, as nature spins her twisting curls. The winds begin their violent song, a chorus deep, a mournful gong. The clouds, like monsters, roll and swell, a storm that's bound to break the spell. With lightnings flash and thunders roar, we brace ourselves, but still it pours. The earth beneath begins to shake, as if it's waking from a dream. The ground it quivers, cracks, and breaks, a nightmare from the deepest seam. The mountains tremble, cities fall, as tremors echo through it all. Buildings crumble, streets are torn, a world once whole, now bruised and worn. A crack, a rumble, deep and low. The earth is angry, and it shows. Through dust and rubble, silence falls, a mournful cry that nature calls. The sky grows heavy, clouds conspire. A flood begins, a rising fire. The rivers rage, the seas run wild. Their waters claim both man and child. The rains come down, relentless, fierce, each drop a tear from sky to pierce. They flood the land, they drown the streets. In every corner, chaos greets. The houses crumble, trees are tossed, as nature claims what's been long lost. The earth, so full of pain and grief, has swallowed hope and robbed belief. Yet in the depths, a spark survives, a whisper soft, a heart that strives. For through the flood, through every blaze, humanity will find its ways. The wind may howl, the ground may crack, but still we fight and we come back. We gather strength from darkest nights and seek the dawn's returning light. The fires rage with searing heat. The forests burn, the trees retreat. The skies are filled with ash and smoke, as if the world itself has broke. Yet still, we stand, we brave the flame. We fight to rise, will not be tame. Through scorched earth and smoldered ground, a spark of life still can be found. For though the world may fall apart, we still possess a steady heart. The wind may scream, the earth may shake, the oceans rise, the mountains break. But in our souls, we find the flame, to rise again and stake our claim. No force of nature can erase the light within the human race. With every challenge, we stand tall,